Good morning, students of grade 7. Today we will complete our chapter about electric circuit. First of all, we will talk about electric circuit. An electric circuit is mainly formed of the following components. A source of voltage called a generator, like a dry cell, as we mentioned in the previous lesson. This dry cell pushes the electric current from its positive terminal into its negative terminal. A component that may function like a lamp or a motor, connecting wires carrying the flow of the current and joining the source of voltage to the component in a closed path. As shown in the adjacent figure in here, we have a dry cell, the connecting wires joining the lamp with the dry cell. The red arrow in here shows the flow of the electric current from the positive terminal of the lamp into the negative terminal. The connection of a dry cell to a lamp. Since the dry cell provides a voltage of specific value, this voltage have an SI unit, volt. Its symbol is V. Every dry cell have an indicated voltage on it. For an example, in this photo, the indicated voltage of this dry cell is 9 volt, while every lamp have a rated voltage. This rated voltage is the voltage needed by the lamp to function normally. For an example, in this photo, the rated voltage of the lamp is 12 volt. The simple circuit is the circuit composed of the component we mentioned before. To allow this lamp to light up in any simple circuit, the first condition is that this simple circuit must be a closed circuit. So, if we see in this first figure in here, when the circuit is closed, the lamp light up. While in the second figure, when the circuit is open, the lamp did not light up. To ensure that the lamp will light, we have to connect the terminals, which are the contact and the base of the lamp, to the two terminals of a suitable dry cell, thus constructing a closed electric circuit, as shown in the first figure in here. When the circuit is closed, the current passes through the lamp and the lamp will light up. In the second case, when one terminal of the cell is not connected to the terminal of the lamp, it's called an open circuit. The current cannot pass and the lamp will not light up. Now we will talk about the brightness of the lamp. We have three cases for the brightness of the lamp. A lamp may function normally, or the lamp may function weakly, or the lamp may function strongly and may be damaged. The case when the lamp functions normally is when the indicated voltage of the dry cell is equal to the rated voltage of the lamp, and the lamp functions weakly when the indicated voltage of the dry cell is less than the rated voltage of the lamp, while the lamp functions strongly and may be damaged when the indicated voltage of the dry cell is greater than the rated voltage of the lamp. Now, in our example in here, we will find what is the mode of the functioning of the lamp in each case. The first case, the indicated voltage of the dry cell is 12 volt. It's greater than the rated voltage of the lamp, which means in this case the lamp will function strongly and may be damaged. The second case, the indicated voltage of the dry cell is 8 volt. It's less than the rated voltage of the lamp, which is 10 volt, which means that the lamp in this case will function weakly. The third case, the indicated voltage of the dry cell is 6 volt, which is equal to the rated voltage of the lamp, which means that the lamp will function normally. The last case, the indicated voltage of the dry cell is 1.5 volt. It's less than the rated voltage of the lamp, which means that in this case the lamp will function weakly. The last idea we are going to talk about today is the conductors and insulators. As we said before, conductors are the materials that allow the electric current to pass through them, such as metals like iron and copper, while insulators are the materials or the bodies that do not allow the electric current to pass through them. For an example, plastic, rubber, wood, and etc. Now we are going to make a brief example about conductors and insulators. As we see in our figure in here, we have a dry cell, a lamp, and some connecting wires. This lamp is not functioning since we have an open circuit, and as we said, an open circuit will not allow the current to flow from the positive terminal of the lamp to the negative terminal of the lamp, which means that this lamp will not light up until this circuit is closed. Now we want to know which one of these materials is a conductor and which one is an insulator. We will try first the alloy. If we put the alloy in here, we notice that the lamp will light up, which means that the alloy allows the flow of electric current, which means that alloy is a conductor. Now we will try another material, glass. When we put glass in here, we notice that the lamp did not glow, which means that glass did not allow the pass of electric current, so glass is an insulator. Now we will try aluminium. When we put aluminium in here, we notice that the lamp glow up, which means that aluminium is a conductor. When we try to put plastic, the lamp did not light up, which means that plastic is an insulator. Now you must discover wood, copper, water and salty water and graphite. Are they conductors or insulators?